This is my 2009 Kawasaki Ninja. It has stripes on the wheels, cool little zigzag thing I done put on there, some Renthal double wall dirt bike handlebars, and Two Brothers exhaust. Badass. That's right, capable of evading police up to like 55 miles an hour. And there's some more wheel stripies. It's kind of dirty right now. Eventually, I will clean it sometime. Eventually, later on, maybe. And this is my 95 Honda Accord. It's kind of quick. It goes 0 to 80 in like 14 seconds or something. Anyway, it's pimp. It's badass.